Are you looking for a career that offers freedom, flexibility, and potential high income? Get started now to experience unlimited earning potential available to you in the New York real estate market. The Cavanis Realty Institute instructors have been helping people develop successful careers in the real estate industry for over 20 years. Cavanis Realty Institute offers all the courses you need to fulfill your real estate educational requirements and help you jumpstart your real estate career. Our engaging virtual Zoom teleconferencing platform courses are designed for busy working professionals. We are currently offering, for a limited time only, 2 of our most popular learning sessions: Real Estate Math for Real Estate Professionals and our Real Estate Salesperson's Course and Review. So, register and begin your successful real estate career with the Cavanis Realty Institute.